When looking at the structural frame, we are now going to look at the analysis of inclusion and co-teaching using the structural frame. As stated by Bowman, a highly organized structure is one that has clear goals, focuses on the mission, and has well-defined roles and top-down coordination. Unfortunately, though, many of these pieces were lacking when inclusion and co-teaching were first implemented in the Auburn School District. The need to define roles and have clear goals is a necessity for the program to have success in its second year. As stated also by Bowman and Deal, the structural perspective argues for putting people in the right roles and relationships, and this is where the Auburn School District had one of its biggest issues. They needed more clearly defined roles and how those co-teaching relationships were going to work properly to have success for all students. Also, what needed to be looked at was starting with the top down, the administrators, especially principals, need to have discussion and more communication amongst their teaching teams about which teachers would be better suited for an inclusion classroom and who would be the best suited to participate in co-teaching teams, again going back to those relationships and those well-defined roles. The next area to analyze is how to decide on the roles of each individual and how to distribute the work. Bowman and Deal also stated it is important to settle issues concerning who does what, when the what gets done, and how the individual efforts mesh to ensure harmony. This specific statement holds the key in ensuring success for inclusion and co-teaching. Inclusion and co-teaching are of course a process and will take time to work correctly and smoothly, but using the structural frame and some of the strategies such as defining roles can help teachers feel more confident and comfortable in their roles. This is a program where there needs to be some direction in order for the students to benefit and succeed.